7-wheel cart. It weighs a couple of pounds. It's made of plastic and aluminum. It comes with a bungee cord. And we're going to open this up for you and show you how simple it is to operate. 7-wheel cart. It's not going to go anywhere because you have to free the wheels first. There are locking mechanisms. And then the wheels will roll and spin any way you want. Please make sure your hands are free from the wheels. On the bottom of the unit, you take off each of the bungee cord, slide it through. The unit opens up and closes. You lift the handle and you push this handle down to lock it into place. What you need to do is, if you want to just drag this along, you lift the handle and this now is able to drag along. So you can lock it down, lift the handle as high as you want, up to 35 inches. If that's too high, snap it down to the next available one. On the handles itself, there are little areas that you can take the bungee cord and lock it down. And that is how you use the machine. If this is too long for you, you can slide it in. And that is the setup. It's trash day and I want to bring my cardboard out. I need to open this up just a little more. And I want to tie my cardboard down. I want to drag it rather than push it. So I'm going to lift the handle. And with the rubber band, it makes it just a little bit more tension to drag. This car can hold up to 300 pounds. I want to move my planters. I don't need to tie it down, but there you go. By pressing down on the locking mechanism and my cart won't, then I can start to take my planter off. I'm all done. As simple as lifting up the handle, folding this down into place, and placing the bungee cords into the appropriate holes to the wheel, and done. And store. If 7 wheels is not what you're looking for, please check online for the ones you want. This is an awesome product, does a great job, very portable indeed. If you're a worker, somebody that needs to carry things around, cart around, or just around the house. Very compact, very foldable, very easy to use. I hope you enjoy your product, if this is right for you.